pato. Mira, un mini patito. Hay un patito.
It like actually got tons of animals turned into it. And you don't notice at first. There's at least as I walk around it. After the bike show, we'll just walk around and see this.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Lick!
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. Little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh?
Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Like that. Off into the ground. Thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. Chili, I really hate you do that. I really don't. That I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Pull! Come on, keep them coming, keep them coming! Chili's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Listen up, my ant! Hold still!
By God! In case you hadn't noticed, Marley.
Youngers! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now, he's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Well, is everybody all right out there? Oh, I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let her rip, Claire.
Hey! Stop! Back here, man! Go away! You'll never catch me!
Where's the target? Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. Or will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! You are over your target,
huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Refreshing with flowers.
it makes too much fun for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we got the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder high waves. Shoulder high waves. And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, then soon be no humans around here to man it. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Just talk to me about.
It's a piece of cake.
And it's moldy!
Oh, look it up.
Let's see! Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Use the exit out toward the last part.
What did Charlie think?
He loved it, Mama.